In the Microsoft Defender portal, the Submissions page is your one-stop shop for managing emails, Teams messages, attachments, files, URLs, and user-reported submissions. Let's go over how to use this page and set up user reporting within your organization. From the Defender portal, under the Investigation and Response blade, select Actions and Submissions, then select Submissions. At the top of the page is a tab for each submission type. The Emails tab displays all admin-submitted emails for a set time range. Selecting an email here will show the result details, the submission details, delivery details, email details, and more. You can also create a new submission on this page by selecting Submit to Microsoft for analysis. Fill in the required information fields in the side pane and then submit. The Teams Messages tab will show any admin-reported Teams messages. The Email Attachments tab will list any email attachments that admins and SecOps members have reported to Microsoft. Select an attachment to see more details about it post-submission, including the results of Microsoft's analysis. Similar to the Emails tab, you can submit new attachments to Microsoft from this page for analysis. The difference here being that instead of entering a network message ID or uploading a message file, you upload the file attachment. Like the Email Attachments tab, the URLs tab lists the URLs that your admins and SecOps members have reported. The Files tab will show any admin file submissions. To submit a new file to Microsoft for analysis, select Add New Submission. Then select Browse Files and open the file you want to submit. You'll choose how the files should be categorized and the priority, with high-priority submissions receiving immediate attention. Select the checkbox to share the sample submission with Microsoft, and then select Submit. The recurring theme here being that no matter what type of item you submit, they typically look and work the same way. The last tab on the Submissions page is the User Reported tab. From here, you will find email messages, Teams messages, and Teams calls submitted by users in your organization, which you can submit to Microsoft for analysis as well. To filter based on the type of submission, select the Filter icon. Then scroll down to Submission Type and select the submission types you want results for. Once you've chosen the filters you want, select Apply to return to the Submissions page. Using the filter will help your SOC narrow down specific submission types for investigation. Before users can report messages, you must turn this capability on for them. This can be done by selecting User-Reported Settings from the top right of the Submissions page. Other than turning on user-reported features, you must also configure where to send those messages. You can have them sent to Microsoft, a mailbox you configure, or both. The rest of the settings help you adjust how user-reported messages work for your organization. The Submissions page in Microsoft Defender provides admins with one place to manage their reported emails, Teams messages, attachments, URLs, and files, as well as user-reported submissions. To learn more about submissions, visit aka.ms/unified submissions. Microsoft Security.